Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best drone under 300 you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial footage without the hassle of complex regulations or hefty equipment. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best drones under 300 that combine portability with exceptional performance. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, these lightweight drones offer impressive features without the need for FAA registration. Stick around as we explore each model's unique capabilities, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorite. Let's elevate your drone experience to new heights. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best drone under 300. Let's begin. On number 5 is Toladrone TD31LCD. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial shots without breaking the bank. The Toladrone TD31LCD drone, priced at just $139.99, offers an impressive array of features that cater to both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Its built-in LCD display on the remote control ensures real-time, stable image transmission, eliminating the hassle of app connections. Equipped with 4 powerful brushless motors, this drone promises efficient and quiet flights, enhancing your flying experience. The modular 3.7V 1800 mAh battery provides up to 15 minutes of flight time, while its foldable design makes it conveniently portable. User-friendly functions like one-key takeoff or landing and headless mode make it accessible for novices. However, the 15-minute battery life may feel limiting for extended sessions. Overall, the Toladrone TD31LCD stands out as a top contender among the best drones under $300. On number 4 is Potensic ATOM 2. Imagine capturing breathtaking 8K photos and 4K HDR videos with a drone that fits right in your pocket. Meet the Potensic ATOM 2, a game-changer in the sub-$300 drone market. Weighing under 249 g, it bypasses FAA registration hassles, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Its 1/2 Sony CMOS sensor delivers stunning 48MP photos and smooth 4K per 30 frames per second videos, all stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. The advanced AI tracking features, including spotlight, follow, and parallel modes, ensure dynamic shots effortlessly. With a robust 10 km transmission range and intuitive controls, the ATOM 2 stands tall among the top drones under $300. However, it lacks obstacle avoidance, so caution is advised in complex environments. Priced at $329.99, the Potensic ATOM 2 offers exceptional value for both beginners and seasoned pilots seeking high-quality aerial footage without breaking the bank. On number 3 is Holystone HS710. Imagine capturing breathtaking 4K aerial footage without breaking the bank. The Holystone HS710 offers just that, making it a standout in the sub-$300 drone market. Its Ultra HD 4K camera, paired with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees adjustable structure, ensures expansive and detailed shots. The 5 GHz FPV transmission guarantees smooth, real-time video streaming, enhancing your flying experience. Equipped with brushless motors, the HS710 delivers stable flights, even in windy conditions. Its intelligent flight features, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest, allow for creative and hands-free operation. The GPS and GLONASS dual-mode positioning system, combined with optical flow positioning, ensures precise hovering both indoors and outdoors. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes per battery and a foldable design, the HS710 is both powerful and portable. While it may not match the advanced features of higher-end models, its performance and affordability make it a compelling choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots. On number 2 is SPECTA Mini GPS. Imagine capturing breathtaking 4K aerial footage without the hassle of FAA registration. The SPECTA Mini GPS drone, weighing under 249 g, offers precisely that. Its 3-axis gimbal and Sony CMOS sensor ensure stable, high-quality videos and photos. With a remarkable 10 km transmission range and 31-minute flight time, this drone competes with top models like the DJI Mini 4K and Potensic ATOM SE, yet comes at a more accessible price point. Its leveled 5 wind resistance and foldable design make it both robust and portable. While it may not have the brand recognition of some competitors, the SPECTA Mini's performance and features make it a compelling choice for those seeking a top-tier drone under $300. Now moving to the last one is Potensic ATOM LT GPS. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial shots without the hassle of FAA registration. The Potensic ATOM LT GPS drone, priced at $199.99, offers this convenience by weighing under 249 g. Its compact, foldable design makes it a breeze to carry on any adventure. Equipped with a 2.5K HD camera and shake-vanish stabilization, it ensures crisp, smooth footage. With an impressive 40-minute flight time per battery, you can enjoy extended sessions without frequent recharges. The PicSync 2.0 transmission system provides a reliable connection up to 4 kilometers away, giving you the freedom to explore vast areas. While it lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, the ATOM LT stands out as a top contender among drones under $300, offering a balance of performance and affordability. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this drone delivers a satisfying flying experience. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best drone under $300. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.